welcome to WendBooks Solutions. Today we're going to talk about the chart of accounts, how we manage the chart of accounts, adding, deleting, handling new account types, etc. To access the chart of accounts, simply go to Financial and then Chart of Accounts. You can see the account listing on the left hand side of our screen. Now, if I just click on any of the accounts, then at the right side I see all transactions related with this account, and then I can choose to show all dates. I can filter by specific transaction, and I can also search for anything that is listed. And of course, if I double click, I can open the transaction if I've got the necessary permissions, of course. Now, if I want to create a new account, then simply go to New Account here, select the account type, could be income, my sales, give it a proper number. The account number should be unique, so the message indicates that the 200,000 is not unique, so I have to change that to 300,000, and then click refresh, and the 300,000 my sales account is listed here. Now, suppose I want to create a sub account of the 300,000. So just go to New Account, Income again, because you can only have sub-accounts of the same account type. Give it a proper account number again. Please note that two things are important for the proper representation of the accounts at the left side. The account number and the sub-account of are two important factors in order to show exactly the correct representation at the account listing. So, for example, the sub-account here is my sales, but this is not enough. I should give a proper account number, for example, 300,100. So click refresh again, and here it is. Now, suppose I want to move these sales services under the my sales. So what I have to do is just double click, choose the sub account of the my sales, and again change the account type, the account number, I'm sorry. Click OK, refresh, and that's it. Now, it doesn't really matter if there are transactions associated with the account I'm moving. The transactions will move together with the account. Okay, let's try delete an account here. For example, if I want to delete the sales services, click delete. Of course, you cannot delete an account if this account has related transaction, or if the account is associated with another listing. For example, we've got some control accounts in the chart of accounts, like accounts receivable euro. It's a control account that controls all your clients. For example, if I just go to the customer center, and then double click to create a new customer, then I have to associate every client with a proper accounts receivable account. So this could be accounts receivable euro. So actually the accounts receivable euro, it's a control account, and maybe there is no related transactions, but if I've got customers associated with that, then I cannot delete it. Same thing with the accounts payable euro. Accounts payable euro has been associated with suppliers. So every single supplier here, every single supplier here is associated with the accounts payable euro. So basically, I cannot delete the accounts payable euro as well. Now, another control account is the VAT liability. You cannot delete that because your VAT settings depend on this account. Now, remember that you need to click refresh every time you add a new account or you edit one. Now, as I said before, at the right side, if you select an account at the left, at the right side you see the transactions. But this is not the only thing that you see here. You also see the graph at the top, which is basically a debit vs credit bank, so a graph. So for example, if what you're looking, it's a bank account, let me just find one. And let me change that, let me change the dates. What you see here is the inflow and outflow of money from your bank, because this is simply, again, it's simply a debit vs credit. You can also change the settings and change the graph to represent yearly or monthly values. Now, what else you see? At the apart transactions, you also see document section. That means you can attach documents either from your computer or drag and drop emails from your Outlook application here. This is very important if you want to attach any electronic file to this account or related with this account. Apart the documents, you also see notes. You may click add some notes as well. Okay. Now, something else very important is the active inactive accounts. So if I just move to the filter at the top where I can search for any account here as well, I can also choose to show all accounts or show active only. This account is inactive. It means that it's not listed in any transaction if I want to use it, unless I set it back to active again. Now, how to make inactive or active accounts? Just double click to edit and click account is inactive, or take out the checkbox there. So this is how I create active and inactive accounts. So that's all about the chart of accounts. Thank you for watching.